Hi, welcome back to Bourbon and Burgers. Today we're going to make something kind of fun in our Moroccan Tagine. It's sitting here on a plate in front of me. Magic of TV, it's all done. No, it's not. We haven't started yet. Come on, let's get going. This is braised short ribs time, okay? And I'm going to do it in the Moroccan Tagine with a bunch of Argentinian Malbec dumped on top. Dump, dump, dump. Why does an airplane have to come over when I turn on the camera? Welcome back to the kitchen. Today, something really special. Tagine. It's from Morocco. Actually, it's from Amazon, but it's very famous in Morocco. Today, we're going to do the beef short ribs right here. That's going to be nice. I'll show you how to cut those up in a second. We're going to use some onion. We've got the Argentinian Malbec. What can you do without red wine with red meat? Tell me. Not many answers. We got the olive oil. We got beautiful fresh garlic right there. It's a beauty. Look at it. Look at that. She's a nice. It's going to be delicious. I'm going to use a lot of this, by the way. Almost all of it. Pepper. Fresh sea salt from British Columbia, from Vancouver Island to be precise. This is the finest. I bring it closer. She's a real special stuff. And of course, butter. Butter. Beautiful salted butter. Let's prepare the meat. Very important. Sharper than knife. Sharper than knife. Okay, we got beautiful short ribs from St. Lawrence Market. From La Boucherie Fine Meats. La Boucherie Fine Meats. Right there. Let's crack them open. Voila. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Now, you can see in the middle of the bones clearly. Right? Beautiful. Chop them up. This meal is for 2 people. And she's going to be nice, big chunks, nice marbling. You can see the marbling here, it's second to none. Okay, beautiful. Got a little extra fat here. I'm going to take some of that away. Get rid of that. Get out of here. And finally, there we are. There we are. There we are. There we are. This is going to melt in your mouth. Very simple. Salt and pepper. There's enough fat going on here that if I salt and pepper these guys and let them sit for a while, everything will soften and everything will be beautiful. No need to soak these in oil. We're going to sear them in oil. In the tagine. It's beautiful. It's famous. Moroccan street food. They make 100 at a time and give you the whole tagine to eat. Okay, there's what we start with. That's it. That's all. It goes to the oven area. Onion. We're going to get one more. We want a little more onion, just to chop that up nice. We'll bring one more. This is a beautiful. Nice and fresh and lovely. Let's chop them open, okay? We'll lose one. Get back here. Garlic, okay? This takes a while. I'm not going to bore you. Onion number 2. I told you. Garlic. She's ready. I can squish it all night long. Squish it. And voila. Okay, time for a little splash. Let's go, baby. Okay, she's getting hot. We're gonna move that oil around. Move it around. You take them, And one at a time, quickly, plop them in. And stand them up. They should stand up nice. Okay? And when you place them down, leave them where they are, because they're going to sear up nice and brown under the bottom, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's it. And now we wait. Okay, here we are. This is what you want to see. The blood coming up, rushing up. That's what you want to see. That's the blood, that's the good. Now we know we got a nice sear. We got a beautiful sear going here. Okay? That's what you want right there. Flip them over. Splashy, splashy. Nice. That's what you want. That's what you want. Okay, we got both sides done nice. All right, now let's take them out. Take them out, take them out, take them out, pile them up, take them out, pile them up. I love the tagine for this. I can set them here. I can put that tagine lid on there, keeping some of those juices. Now, what we're gonna do is take a little bit of butter, introduce to this pan. We gotta have this. It's beautiful. It's pretty fancy, and I like it. We take all this beautiful onions and garlicness that we made, this incredible stuff, you can see it, it's gorgeous, and we pop it all in. Bring that heat down a little bit. Get it moving, get it moving. Don't leave any in here. Don't leave any in here. You want to get all of this out. Okay, you want to dig in, scrape it, get it all out. All right. Okay, very happy with what's happening here. It's time to bring these beauties back into the play. Back into the playroom, kids. Okay, pop them in, space them out nice, throw them on the top, make it look nice. She's a pretty little dish. Who doesn't love a pretty little dish? Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Don't forget all the juices. Those are blood juices. The bloody juices are nice. And then we take this guy once again and we let her have it. And that's good. At this point in the game, I like to add a little bit big chunks of pepper, coarse ground, and of course, speaking of coarse, a little more salt. Not crazy. You can salt to taste later, obviously, but that's that. And we cover. Okay, changed my mind on the potatoes. Instead of doing a creamy mashed potato that is phenomenal with garlic and a bit of pepper and salt, some cream, 35% cream, don't forget. We're not doing mashed potatoes. Changed my mind. We're gonna go traditional tagine. We're gonna steam these on top of the meat instead. That's what we're gonna do. That's it. That's what we're gonna do. So these get laid out in sort of a butterfly pattern like this, and they look nice, and everybody goes, wow, that looks really great. Let's eat it. And we just eat it all. So kind of like that, on top of the meat. Okay, potatoes out. By the way, you know it's working when it keeps all the moisture inside, creates an incredible amount of steam up into the top of the cylinder, and it rains all back down. Let's check it out. Oh, beautiful. We've got nice bubblings. We're not going to turn anything. We're just going to leave it right where it is. And I'll tell you what's going to happen right now. A traditional way of Moroccan cooking with a tagine is to place the potatoes on top in sort of a Palm Island type of idea. I like to give these a little shot of salt exclusive Okay, probably a little bit of this guy as well. Now we cover. This is gonna take a while to do its job, so now we get to go do other fun things. You can come outside and get your laundry. You can study plant smells. Smells like purple things. You can plug in your car, so she's ready to go anywhere you want to, anytime, every morning, she's full. And that's it. You can have a nap. You can grab a beer. If you feel really good and strong, you pump up the bicycle tires. You can move gigantic piles of wood. Anybody home? Let's check this. Oof. Check the potatoes. Yep, falling apart. See that? Falling apart. Let's have a look at one of these guys. Okay, we're falling off the bone. That's what you want. You want this to be falling off the bone. I think we're looking okay. Nice, let's have a look. Ooh. Let's grab one of these bad boys. Mwah. See you next time.